So today we're coming up with the technical analysis of gold. So first of all, we'll come from the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, you can see a beautiful rounding bottom formation. Let me draw it for you. So this is a beautiful rounding bottom formation, and after the formation was over, there you can see a beautiful breakout on the upside. But after the breakout, it couldn't sustain those level. It consolidated for some time over this level, and then finally it broke down from those breakout levels. So yeah, prima facie there is some weakness here in gold, but let's delve deeper to know more. So now coming to the weekly chart, but you can see a beautiful channel formation. Yes, a beautiful channel formation. So if we draw the channel like this, you can see a beautiful channel formation. So this is a beautiful flag kind of formation if we see on a longer time frame. So yes, if you have an eye for the pattern, this is kind of a pole of the flag, then this is a flag which is in formation. But let's not speculate and instead analyze the current movement of the gold. So here what you can see is only the naked price movements, the price action for the candles. But to know a little more, what you can do is see how the momentum indicators are performing. So one of my favorite momentum indicator is the relative strength index, that is the RSI. So corresponding to these price levels, what you can see is there is a beautiful breakout on the RSI, a beautiful breakout on the RSI, but there is no corresponding breakout on the price. If we draw a trend line like this, or even we can draw a trend line like this, being a little more conservative. So none of this trend line is broken yet, but the RSI has broken out clearly. This shows that we may very soon see some kind of breakout on the price. RSI being a momentum indicator shows the possible price movement far before the price itself shows. You can say it's a leading indicator, but still, in order for this move to confirm, you need to have a confirmation from the price angle. So only if this trend line is broken on the weekly time frame, you can say that yes, there is a successful breakout of gold from this beautiful flag pattern. Besides this, what we can see, if you have an eye for a price action level, for almost 6 weeks the price of gold consolidated in this narrow range for almost 6 weeks, and finally after that this week the price has broken out. So yes, this is an initial reversal sign which I will look out for, and also start investing a little amount in this asset class. What we can understand is this level of around 1680 provided some kind of good support. So let us confirm if this level has any other significance, from a longer time frame point of view. Yes, something what I can see is this was a prior rejection level, that means this was a prior resistance level, then the price broke out and then took support over this area. So yes, technically 1680 level is a really important zone. Earlier it acted as a resistance, then support, and again a support zone, that is change of polarity. So yes, prima facie this support level acted really well, and then there was a breakout on the upside. Now coming to the daily time frame, what I can beautifully see is a beautiful double bottom formation at this 1680 level. So yes, a double bottom formation, then a breakout, which you can also say a W breakout. Let me draw it for you. So yes, this is a W formation and then a breakout, which I would say a really good price pattern formation and a really good level, a low risk entry to get into this asset class. So first of all, the question comes, how should be our entry strategy? On the monthly time frame or even on the weekly time frame, as it is in a really uh, downtrend kind of move, so we should be really careful before deploying any longs. In other words, we should deploy our longs carefully, that too in installments, because we don't know if we see a reversal from here. So my pick would be invest around uh, 30 to 40% of what you are intending with stop loss. Yes, surely stop loss. So my first level to watch out for is this level. If I go with aggressive longs at this price level, what I would do is take an entry out here at around 1775 with a stop loss of around 1720. People who are more liberal with their stop loss can put their stop loss out here. A very important level, a level from where this double bottom rejection took place, that's 1680, near about 1680 to 1670 zone. So this should be the stop loss for uh, conservative players. So this was the goal on USD basis, on dollar basis. But what about the gold on in Indian context? So let's see. So this is the gold futures chart. First come from the monthly chart time frame. Yes, beautiful. As you can see on a monthly time frame, gold is in a super bullish zone. Then on the weekly time frame, a beautiful channel formation, just like it happened on the dollar gold. And yes, what you can see is a really good breakout, uh, or in other words, initial signs of breakout on the gold chart in rupee terms. This was the major trend line that was being rejected over and over, and finally this week price gave a close above this trend line, and also RSI showed a breakout far before price showed. So yes, in rupee terms, gold has successfully shown a breakout, but still it's better to wait for 1 or 2 additional weeks to see confirmation. Here what you can see is an important price level of around 48,000. So yeah, 48,000 seems to be a very strong supply zone. So until and unless this level is cleared decisively, it's really not advised to go aggressive with your longs. But still you can deploy small amounts, as I already said, to get the full benefit out of this move if this comes. So let's come to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, a strong supply zone is out there at 480. So before 480 is cleared, be careful with your longs. So this is a trend line on the daily time frame as well. Here what I would say was a fake breakout. Then now again you can see a breakout out here. So let's see and wait for additional confirmation to make sure that this is a successful breakout or not. For me, sustaining here for another 1 or 2 weeks will be the first sign of a successful breakout. And also, if price beautifully trades above this 48,000 mark, I would say it's a good level to go long, a little more aggressive with your longs, with with an initial target of 52,000, then the next target of 56,000, and beyond that, God knows where the price will go. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for watching the video.